teach you on how to use CyberLink PowerDirector 9. When working with PowerDirector 9, there are three main workspaces. You have your media tray, your preview window, and your timeline. It's important that we have an understanding of what these workspaces are useful for. The purpose of the media tray is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, it's where you can import all of your media files that you want to use for your project. The purpose of your preview window is to play back your editing process so you know what your edited video clip looks like. The timeline is where all the magic happens. Everything you can possibly do inside PowerDirector takes place in the timeline. In order for us to start editing, we will be needing some video footage to edit. You can import your media to the media tray by clicking the Import Media Files to choose individually, or you can click Import Media Folder, which allows you to import a whole folder of media into your media tray. I'm going to import a single media file by clicking Import Media File and choosing the file which I'm going to be working with today. To the left of the media tray is the editing panel. This panel contains tabs which give you access to effects and transitions to a recording studio and subtitle room. Let's start by taking a look at the Effects tab, which is located here. In the Effects room, we have access to 100 pre-installed video effects. To apply an effect to the video, you simply drag it from the list of effects and place it on top of the video footage. I will demonstrate applying an effect to the video using the Edge effect. As you can see, once you have dragged the effect to the video footage, it is automatically applied. Of course, you are not limited to adding only one effect to your video. You can add multiple effects to your footage by adding splits on a video and applying different effects onto each section on the video you have split. To make a split in the video, you simply drag the selection bar to the desired part of the video, right-click the footage, and click Split. As you can see, I have just made 5 splits on the video. Now, I'm going to add a different effect onto each section of the video. And there you have it! Adding effects to your video could never be easier. Now that we know how to split our video footage and add video effects, let's take a look at adding video transitions between the splits. I'm here in the transitions room where I have an access to over 150 transitions. Adding a video transition is such a simple task in PowerDirector 9. You can add a transition by dragging it to the area in your video that you have made a split and placing it between the two clips of video. That is all you have to do to add professional looking video transitions to your video in PowerDirector 9. Next, we are going to learn on how to add text into our videos. Here in the text room, we can add all kinds of styles, sizes, and colors. To give our video an even more professional look, the easiest way to add text is by choosing one of the 120 pre-installed text icons that CyberLink has to offer. All you have to do to add text into your video is drag it from the text room into the text track in the timeline. Once you have placed the text in the track, you can double-click it to edit what it says. The style and size of it, the color of it, and the text effect. Once you have edited the text, you simply click OK for the changes to take effect. Now I introduce you to the particle room. In here, we have access to dozens of sophisticated effects that we can include in our video to create a stylish video introduction. I'm going to choose the bubble particle to create my video introduction with. To insert it into the timeline, you simply drag it from the particle room into either of the video track or picture track. Once it has been placed to the desired track, you can add text to it by using the method I showed you previously in this video. By using the method I showed you previously in this video. An additional feature wherein you might find useful in the editing process is the Media Viewer. The Media Viewer allows you to have a full-size preview of your project and can be accessed in the preview window by clicking the button named Preview in the Media Viewer. Click on the Preview in the Media Viewer button to see the drop-down menu, and you must select the Launch Media Viewer in order for it to open. Here you can see my final video of introduction created with the help of the particle room. And lastly, I'm going to teach you how to create a master video file. Click on the Produce tab and choose a profile. Then designate where to save the file. Name your master video file and then click on Start. Your project timeline will now begin to render into a master video file. Thank you for watching.